Did you know that the largest organism on Earth is a fungus? It's true. This colossal organism is not an animal or a plant, but a fungus, specifically a honey mushroom. A single honey mushroom colony in Oregon spans over 2,000 acres. This vast network of mycelium, the root-like structure of the fungus, stretches underground, connecting trees and plants in a symbiotic relationship. Mushrooms, these fascinating fungi, have captivated humans for centuries, gracing our folklore, medicine cabinets, and dinner plates. From ancient Chinese medicine to modern culinary arts, mushrooms have played a significant role in human culture and health. But beyond their captivating presence lies a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to bone health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, mushrooms offer a myriad of health benefits. Mushrooms are not just delicious, they are packed with essential nutrients our bodies crave. They are low in calories yet high in fiber, protein, and various important nutrients. One of these key nutrients is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin due to its production in our skin upon exposure to sunlight. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and supporting our immune system. Mushrooms, like humans, can produce vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet UV light. This unique ability makes them an excellent dietary source of vitamin D, especially for those who have limited sun exposure. This makes them a unique and valuable source of this essential vitamin, especially for those who may not get enough sunlight or consume animal products. Including mushrooms in your diet can help bridge the gap in vitamin D intake. Let's delve deeper into the world of mushrooms and discover how these fungal wonders can contribute to strong, healthy bones. From their ancient roots to their modern-day applications, mushrooms continue to be a vital part of our lives. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, but its significance for bone health is paramount. This fat-soluble vitamin acts like a key, unlocking the door for calcium absorption in our gut. Without enough vitamin D, our bodies struggle to absorb calcium, a mineral that forms the very foundation of our bones. This can lead to weakened bones, increasing the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis, a disease that makes bones weak and brittle. Vitamin D deficiency is a global health concern, affecting an estimated 1 billion people worldwide. Factors like limited sun exposure, dietary habits, and certain medical conditions can contribute to this deficiency. Therefore, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin D through diet and lifestyle choices is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones throughout life. While most people associate vitamin D with sunlight and fortified foods, there is another, often overlooked source that can be just as effective. This source is not only natural, but also versatile in its culinary uses. Mushrooms offer a natural and often overlooked source of this essential nutrient. They are unique in the plant kingdom for their ability to produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight or UV light. Just like humans, mushrooms can synthesize vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet UV light, particularly UVB rays. This fascinating process transforms them into tiny powerhouses of nutrition. The amount of vitamin D in mushrooms varies depending on the type of mushroom, growing conditions, and exposure to UV light. For instance, some mushrooms are grown in the dark and have lower levels of vitamin D, while others are exposed to UV light to boost their nutrient content. Some varieties, like wild mushrooms, and those specifically exposed to UV light during or after harvest, boast significantly higher levels of vitamin D. This makes them an excellent dietary choice for those looking to increase their intake of this vital nutrient. In fact, a single serving of UV-exposed mushrooms can provide the recommended daily intake of vitamin D, making them a convenient and potent source of this bone-building nutrient. This is particularly beneficial for those who have limited sun exposure or dietary restrictions. By incorporating mushrooms into our diets, we can harness the power of these natural vitamin D factories and support our bone health from the inside out. Whether added to soups, salads, or main dishes, mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious way to boost our vitamin D levels. Vitamin D acts as a crucial regulator of calcium and phosphorus levels in the body, two minerals essential for bone health. Calcium provides the structural integrity and strength to our bones, while phosphorus aids in calcium absorption and utilization. When we consume vitamin D, it facilitates the absorption of calcium from our diet. This calcium is then transported through the bloodstream to our bones, where it is used to build and maintain bone density. Without sufficient vitamin D, our bodies cannot effectively absorb calcium, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. This is particularly crucial during childhood and adolescence when bones are rapidly growing and developing. By ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin D, we provide our bodies with the tools they need to build strong, healthy bones that can withstand the test of time. Section 5. Beyond strong bones. The benefits of mushrooms extend far beyond their impressive vitamin D content. These nutritional powerhouses are low in calories, fat-free, and cholesterol-free, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Mushrooms are also a good source of other essential nutrients, including B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and copper. These nutrients contribute to various bodily functions, including energy production, nerve function, and immune support. Certain varieties of mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are also revered for their potential medicinal properties. They contain bioactive compounds that have been studied for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting effects. By incorporating a variety of mushrooms into our diets, we can reap the numerous health benefits these fungal wonders offer. Section 6. A world of culinary delights. One of the most appealing aspects of mushrooms is their culinary versatility. From earthy portobellos to delicate button mushrooms, there's a mushroom variety to suit every palate and recipe. Mushrooms can be enjoyed raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, grilled to perfection, or incorporated into soups, stews, and sauces. Their unique umami flavor adds depth and complexity to countless dishes. For a simple and satisfying meal, try sautéing sliced mushrooms with garlic and herbs. Serve them as a topping for grilled chicken or fish, or toss them with pasta for a quick and flavorful dinner. Whether you prefer them earthy, savory, or delicate, there's a mushroom out there waiting to tantalize your taste buds. Section 7. Mushroom power in your kitchen. Incorporating more mushrooms into your diet doesn't require a complete culinary overhaul. These versatile fungi can be seamlessly integrated into a variety of dishes, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Here are a few easy ways to boost your mushroom intake. Add them to smoothies. Blend a handful of raw button mushrooms into your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost without altering the flavor. This is a great way to start your day with added vitamins and minerals. Sauté them with your favorite veggies. Mushrooms pair well with a variety of vegetables. Their earthy flavor complements the natural sweetness of bell peppers, the sharpness of onions, and the mildness of greens. Sauté them with onions, garlic, peppers, or your favorite greens for a flavorful and nutritious side dish. The combination of mushrooms with these ingredients creates a delicious and healthy meal option. Stuff them. Portobello mushrooms make excellent vessels for stuffing. Their large size and meaty texture make them perfect for holding a variety of fillings. Fill them with savory mixtures like sausage, cheese, and breadcrumbs, then bake or grill until tender. This makes for a hearty and satisfying dish that can be served as a main course or a side. Use them as a meat substitute. Mushrooms' meaty texture and umami flavor make them a suitable substitute for meat in various dishes. They can be used in everything from burgers to stews, providing a rich and satisfying alternative to meat. Try using chopped mushrooms in place of ground beef in tacos, chili, or pasta sauce. This not only reduces the calorie content of your meals but also adds a unique flavor profile that is both hearty and delicious. With a little creativity, you can easily incorporate mushrooms into your daily meals and enjoy their numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to providing essential nutrients, mushrooms are a powerhouse ingredient that can elevate your culinary creations. Section 8. The Future Is Fungi. The world of mushrooms is vast and full of untapped potential. As we continue to explore the fascinating realm of fungi, we are discovering new and innovative ways to harness their power for the benefit of humanity. From sustainable food solutions to groundbreaking medical advancements, mushrooms are at the forefront of scientific research and innovation. Their ability to break down organic matter, produce valuable compounds, and thrive in diverse environments makes them a valuable asset in various fields. As we move towards a more sustainable future, embracing the power of mushrooms will undoubtedly play a crucial role in addressing global challenges related to food security, environmental sustainability, and human health. Section 9. Embrace the power of mushrooms. Mushrooms, these humble yet extraordinary organisms, offer a wealth of health benefits, particularly when it comes to bone health. Their ability to synthesize vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for calcium absorption and bone density, makes them a valuable ally in maintaining strong and healthy bones throughout life. By incorporating a variety of mushrooms into our diets, we can enjoy their unique flavors, boost our nutrient intake, and support our overall well-being. Let us embrace the power of mushrooms and unlock the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, strong bones start with a healthy diet and lifestyle. So, next time you're grocery shopping, be sure to add some mushrooms to your cart and experience the fungal magic for yourself.